Good morning. Happy Saturday. Whoops. So today I'm only streaming through Instagram. So Facebook, I'm going to go ahead and say sorry now because I am going to post it to Facebook so that you guys can watch at a later time. But I apologize because you can't ask any questions on live stream like you usually do. But it's okay. I'm sorry. My son took my iPad to his auntie's house, and I woke up this morning like, I have no iPad for Facebook. So I apologize ahead of time. Welcome to day 34 of my detox. I'm so excited. Every day that I'm doing this detox, I'm learning something new. I'm learning something different. I'm loving my body more. I'm loving myself more. So it's really, really exciting. One thing I can tell you, if you're on this detox journey with me, take time to dry brush. Of course, I didn't know I was going to say this, so I didn't bring my dry brush up here for you to see. But take a moment, even if it's minimum twice a week, take time to dry brush, because as you're detoxing your body, it's purging through your skin, and you want to get ahead and exfoliate your skin minimum 3 to 4 times a week. I would say do it every day, but dry brushing can take a little 5 to 10 minutes, and sometimes you might not have time for that. But definitely take time to do some extra self-care while you're on this detox journey, so that everything, mind, body, skin, and hair, can be in order, or partially. Well, let's say you've seen a growth from the beginning of your detox to when you decide to end. I have people that ask, when should I end the detox? How long I should do the detox for? You do the detox for as long as you want. You know what your body needs. Give it what it needs. Especially the first 2 weeks, your body's going to be purging and acting funny and feeling sluggish, and you may have headaches. You may urinate more, of course. Some will use the bathroom, some will be constipated. Your body will do different things. Give yourself time, at least 21 days, to go through this detox and see how you start to feel better. You start to feel lighter. You start to feel good. So that was my introduction. Welcome to Donata Skinfood. I am Donata Joseph. I love to talk to you guys about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. Even if you don't get to ask questions on a live stream, you are more than welcome at any time to ask me, I'm so OCD, to ask me questions on DM. And for Facebook, you can send me an inbox. I try to answer all questions within 24 hours. So go ahead and ask away. No question is a dumb question, and never feel that you're bothering me with your questions. So let's get started. I'm going to do 2 detox drinks today because it's just Ariana and I that are here. So you know my detox drink is a little different. Hers is going to be the claws. So let's go through this. Cayenne pepper for circulation. It's going to go in both. I'm going to add a little bit more to mine. She likes cayenne pepper, so the amount I gave her is good too. L for exfoliation. You want the lemon to go in and grab and bring things down as they need to come down. So half a lemon. This one is not as juicy as the other ones. And I'm so excited, guys, to go to the farmer's market today, not only to see your beautiful faces and interact with you, but tomorrow is the special for the fruits and vegetables at Two Guys Tomatoes. So I will be stocking up on my fruits and veggies for the week, and I'll go ahead and show it to you also. So if you live in Miami, you know where you need to be on Sundays at 4 o'clock. So lemon to exfoliate. A for apple cider vinegar. For Ariana, hers will go in the cup. And for me, mine will be a shot beforehand. Drink this drink 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. Go ahead and get mine out the way. Okay, that's done. Apple cider vinegar helps to stimulate your system. W for water. I already have water in here, about 8 ounces. S for sweetener, for sweet sensation. You can use honey or agave. This week I'll go over the benefits of honey for your body, skin, and hair. And then the last ingredient, trying to get this honey off the spoon. Ooh, I feel that apple cider vinegar just cooling my digestive system. And extra virgin olive oil helps you to have a smooth sensation. Smooth sensation. And if you got to watch my live stream this week, I did give you 10 benefits of extra virgin olive oil. So those that are you like, oh, oil, why do I want to have oil in my drink? Take a minute and watch the replay of, I think it was today's Saturday, Wednesday's live stream. So you can definitely take a chance and look at that. So I finished up the drink. For today, I'm gonna add some turmeric, because you guys know turmeric is anti-inflammatory. So just a quarter of a tablespoon. So my daughter's drink is done. Her drink is done. I'm gonna put it on the side. And then with mine, I'm going to add, as you guys see me every day, add diatomaceous earth, which is really good for cleansing your system, and it's good for parasites. So you guys know I'm struggling with that, although I feel like it's getting better. So that's a blessing. So this is my drink, and I'm gonna go ahead and drink it off live. But for those that are you guys that are coming to the farmer's market and you get to watch the live stream before you come, please stop by and get a sample of your magnesium oil. I have these magnesium sprays, 1 second, that I made, and I'll start to sell because magnesium is so good for so many things. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's 4 ounces and it's straight magnesium oil. If you'd like to put an essential oil in it, you can, but I went ahead and made it straight magnesium. If you're coming to the farmer's market today or tomorrow, we can put a little sample in a little container for you to take home and try. Magnesium oil, you want to put it on your body every day, because majority of us lack magnesium. And people that have headaches, if you have migraines, if you have aches in your body, mood, odor, there's a whole list of things that magnesium is good for. And I'll go ahead and make a post today. So if you're watching a live stream and you want to learn more about magnesium, you can go over and look at the post and look at all the benefits of magnesium. 70 to 80% of people in the world are lacking magnesium in their body. Why? Because magnesium, you're supposed to get it through fruits and vegetables and the food we eat. But as you know, the soil is not as nutritious as it used to be back in the days. It doesn't have all the minerals and enzyme and nutrients that we need to really make it into the plants and the trees and everything that grows from the soil. So if it starts at the root, and the root doesn't have all the minerals, enzyme, and nutrients it needs to grow the plant and herbs and stuff that we're eating, our vegetables, our fruit, and whatnot, if it doesn't have enough minerals, nutrients, and enzymes in what's growing, then we're not absorbing all of the magnesium we should be absorbing through food. And that's why people take magnesium pills. That's why people use magnesium oil, so they get their magnesium in another way. They supplement with magnesium. So the cool thing with magnesium is if you're lacking magnesium in your body, when you spray it on your arm and you feel a tingling sensation, you know that you're lacking magnesium in your body. If you're not feeling a tingling sensation, then that means that's very good. Whatever you're doing, you're getting enough magnesium, and that doesn't mean you can't use this. You can still put 1 or 2 sprays a day and make sure that your magnesium levels are always where it should be. But if it's giving you that tingling sensation, guess what? You need to be using this every day, and you could spray it 5 to 10 times a day if you want. You could spray it on the bottom of your feet, because you know that your feet is the entrance to your body, your nerves. That's the fastest way to get any minerals into your body, is through the soles of your feet. And also you could put it on your arm, like I just sprayed, and your stomach. You definitely want to get your stomach area, because it absorbs right into your digestive system, into your bloodstream. So if you're not familiar with magnesium, do a little research today. There's a ton of benefits. And again, if you're at the Yellow Green Farmers Market this weekend, come by booth 186 and pick up your sample of magnesium so you could try it and know the benefits of magnesium. Trust me, it's life-changing. Okay, guys, Monday night, I have my live stream on Detox the Hair. Don't miss that. You can watch my YouTube videos and catch up on all my other detox videos, and every day I talk about something different. And then you could always subscribe to my emails, and I need to get another email out. I think I missed this week, but trust me, I don't bombard you with emails, so that's a good thing. Okay, guys? Thank you for always watching. Thank you for always supporting. Definitely share with your friends and family. And I am going to sign off right now. My name again is Donata Joseph from Donata Skinfood. Be sure you're feeding your skin inside and out. Have a blessed Saturday. Bye.